Colton in Irvine, California. I just got a 92-inch tripod projector screen from AKIA Screens, and I'm loving it. I grew up watching football, played football. I love all sports. People want to come to my house and watch the big game on the big screen. I love the experience, and it's just, as a sports fan, I think you gotta go with the big projector screen. The quality of the screen and all the pieces really, I mean, is actually exceptional. It's better than I thought it could be. The screen itself looks amazing. I didn't know projectors could look that good. I really like the short throw projector with it because it's only 6 inches from my screen, and really couldn't put a long throw projector anywhere in here. There's no room behind the couch, so the short throw projector is working perfectly for me, and I got plenty of space still. The comparison between watching on 55-inch TV screens compared to the 92-inch projector, it's night and day. I absolutely love the 92-inch projector, and I'd pick that over the TV anytime. The drape kit was just amazing how it looks. It feels like a home theater in my house, and it really is just stylish and brings the whole thing together. So easy to set up, took less than 5 minutes. Fold the screen, open the tripod legs, put the screen on the hook, and there you go, it's ready to go.